Hey, everybody. Everybody. What's going on, guys? All right, I'm waiting for some of these folks to get up in here. I was told to text them when I'm live. Folks, I am here. Yes, it did. It was going wow. My nose is going crazy. All right, guys. I got some like little stuff to show you guys. It was pretty interesting today. But I'm going to go ahead and play my little clip here. I know you guys are going to get a kick out of this. You're going to get a kick out of this little clip I have going. Get ready to go. Hey, Danielle. Hey, Kim. Hey, Bless. So you guys going to get a little kick out of this little... I had somebody do this for me. So let's go ahead on and do this. Hold on. Hey, Red Bunny. Let me tell my folks that I'm live. Hold on. I guess somebody was reading our live today, right? Because we were mentioning about going over the plea agreement, and they end up reading it, y'all. They end up reading it. Okay, here we go. Let me go ahead before I get too tired to do this. All right, this is my little kick for you guys today. Okay, you ready? You guys ready? This is like such a cutie pie thing. Now listen closely, okay, y'all? Hey, John. Hey, everybody. Okay, ready? Ready, guys? Oh, hello. Ready? Let's go. Uh-oh. Okay, hold on. My thing's stuck. Hold on. Let's do it again. Let me put it again. All right, let's do it again. Hey, Emma. Hey, JC. You guys ready for the little clip? Okay, here we go. I had to do it this way. Hello. All right, here we go.
It's like, what do these dudes got to do with me? Were they? What the fuck? Do you recognize them? This ain't got nothing to do with me, man. And then, this ain't got nothing to do with me. I'm gonna keep telling you that. I understand that, Mr. White. You ain't understanding me. What do these dudes got to do with D'Angelo White? They ain't got nothing to do with me. Mr. White, I'm just asking you, do you recognize the people in the program? What do these dudes got to do with me? What do they got to do with me? Objection, ask the answer. I sustain the objection. Your Honor, can I ask the court's permission to instruct the witness to answer the question? You may. Answer the question, sir, if you're able. What do they got to do with me? Answer the question if you're able. I'm ready to go back to prison. I'm ready to go back to prison. What do that got to do with me? Mr. White, I just want to ask you, yes or no, do you recognize the people in that program? Do you recognize them? I recognize them because you told me who they were. Isn't that correct? I don't even know them. Mr. White, just a yes or no, do you recognize the people in the program? I'm ready to go back to prison. What do that got to do with me? Mr. White, I just want to ask you, yes or no, do you recognize the people in that program? Do you recognize them? Mr. White, Lieutenant Baker and I.
Look at Harvey in the back, y'all.
Recognize them as people who were in the car that Neil was driving, who got shot. Isn't that correct? It's like you trying to make me recognize him. I'm not trying to make you anything because you're white, but you're not answering my question. I'm just asking you, do you recognize him? I'm just trying to do my time and go home. I'm trying to go back to prison. I understand that. No, you're not understanding me. Mr. White, just yes or no, do you recognize the people in that photograph? I ain't got to answer nothing.
I gotta do that one again, y'all. Gotta do it again. I'm a little petty, but we gotta do it again, y'all. What did D dude got to do with me? One of the questions I asked the court reporter, was she able to write everything that he would say? What did D dude got to do with me? I can't wait to see the transcript, what it's gonna look like. Transcript is gonna be off the chain with this guy, for real, for real.
That's right. What do these dudes got to do with me? Were they?
Look at Mr. Harvey. Look it up.
This ain't got nothing to do with me, man. And then this ain't got nothing to do with me. I'm gonna keep telling you that. I understand that, Mr. White. You ain't understanding me. What do these dudes got to do with D'Angelo White? They ain't got nothing to do with me. Mr. White, I'm just asking you, do you recognize the people in the photograph? What do these dudes got to do with me? What do they got to do with me?
Objection, ask and answer.
I stand the objection. Your Honor, can I ask the question to instruct the witness?
What did these dudes got to do with me?
Answer the question, sir, if you're able. What do they got to do with me? Answer the question if you're able. I'm ready to go back to prison. I'm ready to go back to prison. What do that got to do with me? Mr. White, I just want to ask you, yes or no, do you recognize the people in that photograph? Do you recognize them?
Do you recognize them?
I recognize them because you told me who they were. Isn't that correct? I don't even know them. Mr. White, just yes or no.
I need a t-shirt too. What did these dudes got to do with me?
I'm ready to go back to prison. What do that got to do with me? Mr. White, I just want to ask you, yes or no, do you recognize the people in that photograph? Do you recognize them?
Do you recognize them?
Ted Baker and I showed you those two photographs. You recognize them as people who were in the car that Neil was driving and who got shot. Isn't that correct? It's like you trying to make me recognize them. I'm not trying to make you anything because you're white, but you're not answering my question. I'm just asking you, do you recognize them? I'm just trying to do my time and go home. I'm trying to go back to prison. I understand that. No, you're not understanding me. Mr. White, just yes or no, do you recognize the people in that photograph? I ain't got to answer nothing.
Oh my God, y'all. What did these dudes got to do with me? What did these dudes got to do with me? I ain't supposed to be here. I ain't supposed to be here. What did these dudes got to do with me? Hold on. Yeah, sell some shirts like that. Free thugs on the front, right? On the, what did these dudes got to do with me? Yes, yes. You said you never heard anybody ask to go back to prison. Well, he wants to go. Basically, the question everybody's asking, what does this have to do with that? Huh? I'm tired of him saying, Mr. White, Mr. White. Hold on a second. Hold on, y'all. We got some good stuff. What did these dudes got to do with me? What did these dudes got to do with me? Right, y'all? What did these dudes got to do with me? What did these dudes got to do with me? Hold on here. Let's go and take up this one here. All right, some stuff from this week. Next, I'm going to show you guys my little clippings. Sorry, my throat is itching like crazy, y'all. Just bear with me.
State continuing examination of the technical.
We have one with the support today. That is, I'm the technician.
Some as a Mr. or Miss Montgomery Board. Some of Miss Montgomery Board, please, and just have on ready. Can you, in fact, hold on a second. Go ahead, some of yours, please.
Look at Harvey, y'all. He ready to stand up. And Harvey's chewing gum. He in trouble. The judge didn't say anything to him because judge cannot stand any chewing gum. Jeff probably gets so tired of me having that camera on him, y'all. Jeff probably like, Sylvia, come on now. Why do you have this camera on me? Looking at me. Like, come on, Sylvia. Was Detective Hamilton the big guy that used to come in and talk to Miss Love? No. But I do have Detective Hamilton. I'm going to show you him in a few. I'm going to go back to one of my old ones and I'll show you him, okay? You guys like that? Would you guys like that?
All right, let's jump in. Be seated. All right, thank you, sir. All right, state call your names, please.
Yes, Your Honor. State call crime scene unit manager L. Ford.
Some of the support, please. Ford, good afternoon. Can you please approach the witness stand once you get there? Before you sit down, turn and face our name and someone's witness.
My first name is Lashantis, LashantisE. Last name Porter, Porter.
Good afternoon, Manager Porter. How are you doing?
I'm doing well.
Can you tell the jury where you are currently in court?
I am.
Okay, this one's boring.
At the police department.
Daniel said, Doug know he be eating.
I've been with the police department for 17 years.
Mr. Adam was right there. Yesterday he was right there. You didn't see him?
What all do you do in that
In my current position, I make sure that the crime scene unit and the crime scene sector process their scenes correctly, making sure they're collecting evidence correctly, doing our part time.
What do these dudes got to do with me?
Background checking, making sure they are, this is being checked with the background checks. And also the fingerprinting and the photo lab that provides photos to law enforcement.
Is that photo lab in-house to
Yes.
Now, when you first started with AV, what position did you hold?
I started as the office support assistant and I worked in the press company.
What did you do after that?
I went to the Motion, and then I went to Central Records, and then from Central Records I went to the housing.
Now, when you first went to the crime scene unit, what was your initial position?
Crime scene technique.
What is crime scene technique?
Crime scene technique is your entry level. Crime scene tech. You go to scenes, but you respond to scene technician.
What is after crime scene technique?
Crime scene tech 2.
Did you ever become a crime scene tech 2?
Yes.
When did you become a crime scene tech 2? Rough.
I think it was in 2011.
And what do you have to do to get promoted, so to speak, to a crime scene tech 2?
We have a series of classes that we take at Georgia Public Safety Training Center in Forsyth. So once we take those 7 classes, and we have a year of work on the job training, then you get your certification.
Now, in the state of Georgia, is other crime scene techs or other law enforcement agencies state similar classes?
The college takes the same classes.
So is the crime scene tech 1 and 2, and is there a crime scene tech 3?
It is.
Is that something that's used with law enforcement agencies across the state?
Some of them are.
Now, did you ever get promoted to crime scene tech 3?
I did.
What do you have to do to attain that?
So I was grandfathered into the position once they changed them. However, you have to have a INI certification, which is a national forensic certification.
Now, if you,
Okay.
So in total, with your time with the Atlanta Police Department.
Yeah, this is kind of boring. That one is kind of boring. Let's do what happened today, because this is kind of boring. Y'all want to see Jeffrey's face, right? While they're interviewing him. Hold on. Because the other one was kind of boring. Hold on a second. Let's see. Let's go in here and do these. All right, let me go pull up these. This is from today. What do these dudes got to do with me? All right, let's go.
Because I don't want to go. Because it's still, weather's still not good there. I mean, if weather is not right here.
Hold on, y'all. All right, here we go.
Good morning, Ms. Knight. How are you? All right. Mr. Courtroom, I'll leave you out. All right.
You said that the trial is terrifying to watch. What happened? What do you say is terrifying?
Jurors. Last night, we had a discussion about Mr. Short's motion, which is marked as order. With regards to reaction or disability, I would say this election working law enforcement officials. As I understand from just a recap from last night, the state and the defense do not have any argument as to assertions D, which is a statement on August 15, 2015, at 41 minutes. E, August 18, 2015, 49 minutes. G, August 18th, 2015, at 1 hour and 3 minutes. H, August 18, 2015, at 1:07. And L, February 16, 2015, proper, on about from the start of the tape, 12 minutes to around 16 minutes. The statement of defense have also incurred that F, which is a statement on August 18th of 2015 at 58:20 seconds. That we'll take that up should the circumstances arise. We also had some discussion about statement J, August 18th of 2015, 1 hour 25 minutes, where reportedly investigator illicit information about.
It seemed like a money grab off a black man trying to tell their stories and make a difference. Shay, I agree with you, Shay. Rick said, I don't know, but it's kind of getting a little weird ever since Mr. Murphy started taking a stand. But I hope Doug and the rest of them walks because DK was the main one doing stuff and he's free. You're right. What happened yesterday that you was running back to the courthouse? Damien, very good question, Damien. Very good question. I will tell you guys about it later. I will tell you guys. You guys are going to be like, what? When I tell y'all about what happened.
These assertions, the defendant still asserts or
other statement that I also was asked to pass on is a statement on August the 18th of 2015 at 1:42. Mr. Sharpen, or Mr. Harvey, you can tell me what statement that is.
Oh, this is boring too. Let me go past this. Let me go past this, y'all. Hold on. Doug looked bored. Jeffrey looked bored, really bored. Hold on. Let's go a little bit down. Let's go up a little bit down here.
Here's gonna tell you the context of what he said. So, Judge, Garvey, no.
Okay, it's boring. This is what they were doing this morning.
YSL.
So, a lot of the guys I was in the cartel, we had went to prison, a lot moved on their life like Gay Rocco. And in between that time, I had like Gay Rocco too. I had trying to pay bills. I was on my oldest son. He kept me put out lights off.
You said you find a way to pay bills?
Yes,
And what way did you find to pay bills?
the streets.
What do you?
Tanisha, I don't think they do.
Enemies in the streets. I didn't have a job, so if I had to take it, if I had to
I don't think so.
do whatever, I had to get it. I put my mom oldest son, I was going around now.
And you say you never take it, what do you do?
Right.
Now, I know you talked about YSL. What does YSL stand for?
I had a couple different meanings.
What were they?
One slime life, one successful life, one successful lifestyle. Couple different meanings.
What came first?
So when we met, I don't remember like which one we decided first, but I know it came from the YSL like clothing brand.
So between young, were you calling yourself young slime life before young successful life, or were you calling yourself young successful life then young slime?
I can't remember which one was first. I think when we was thinking about the names, like both of those was an option, then like both understood.
What does slime mean?
It means a lot of things. From my recollection, I first heard him rap before we even came up with YSL.
You first heard who rap.
I heard it in the rap, like rap song, rap lyrics.
So what did it mean when you heard it in a rap song?
I think it means like different. From my understanding, I thought it meant different meanings, like brother, my partner, my blood, you know.
When you all created Young Slime, like what did you all want or define it or want it to mean?
I think like my brother.
So why did you call yourself Young Brother Life?
That means something like that. It's not appealing to the industry, that one. Young brother like that one.
So you said that it was multiple meanings. So one meaning was brother. What were some of the other meanings behind slime?
Blood, like when I say blood, I mean like my blood, like thick like blood.
All right, so you have brother, blood, what else?
We weren't really saying that then, but like my swing, they saying it now. It's probably not. I'm not swinging.
So was slime only to reference the relationship between you and the other individual?
Yeah, it was thick, my name correct, like, it was like a, I don't even know the word, but it's supposed to mean like unity.
Now, yesterday, we talked a little bit about sex money murder.
Yes,
When it came to the formation of YSL, were you YSL, you were playing SML, or were you SML before playing YSL?
yes, I think like a long time ago, I think I was kind of guessing up before. I'm calling myself guessing before.
Is that what the answer is?
Yeah,
Do you recall, giving a proper statement back in February 2016 here in court?
yes,
Remember that it was a prosecutor, with the Fulton County District Attorney's Office, your attorney, as well as investigators in this, office. Remember that?
yes,
And do you recall them asking you about, YSL and SML?
I don't remember like specifically what they said, but I'm pretty sure that was one of the questions they asked me, like, silly the question.
And in the proper, you said that it was YSL before blood, and then YSL became SML. Do you remember that?
I don't remember saying that, but I told you at that point, I would say anything because of my son.
Was YSL supposed to be an Atlanta set of sex money murder?
No,
Was there any decision by you, Love, Lil Jeff, about not going under or being a part of the sex money murder structure?
I don't think it was like sexual, I think it was like blood period. I recall something like that, though, like a conversation at the same time we was coming up with all of it.
And when you say you recall a conversation like that,
I think I was one of the ones who was saying we needed it because I had already been calling myself blood. And I knew like there was other big rappers that was calling themselves blood and made it easier.
so you wanted to be under that structure?
The blood structure, I felt like that would have brought my like publicity or whatever.
Now, I think yesterday, right when you left off, we were talking about whether or not YSL members had to assist with payment of bond or putting money on people's accounts.
Yeah, I guess I don't know.
Did members of YSL have to assist with payments of bond or putting money on people's accounts?
I think I answered that yesterday. I told you like it wouldn't have been like mandatory or nothing like that, but
Do you recall that same, proper statement, that you made here in February of 2016, telling both investigator Dennis, investigator Weaver, and the prosecutor that as a member of YSL, you made money however you did it, that you had to rob and steal, whatever you had to do. And whatever you got in proceeds, you had to give about $150 to a red box, or put in a red box to assist with any other members who may have been in prison or who may be.
I'm gonna object in our basis. This statement, that thank you.
Do you understand?
you know, I told you at that point. You said February.
February.
My son was born in August. When she was 8 months pregnant when I got locked up, so I would have said anything. at that point.
You said about August 2015 or August 2016?
2015, August 16.
But during that proper agreement or the proper conversation, were you just getting information about the property that you were arrested for? Or you getting information about that?
Can you ask that again?
Sure. During your proper agreement, were you given information about the crime that you were arrested?
That I committed it.
And were you given other information about YSL? Yeah.
I don't remember doing that, but I told you, at that point, I would have cut my arm off. I would have lied to anybody to get that home.
And why would that particular lie about what YSL did as far as money help you get home?
I don't know. I just probably was saying that they didn't let me get that home.
So I'm saying that it did not occur when you were part of
I don't
YSL?
remember now. I know I had an interview though. Asking me serious questions, I don't remember the questions.
Let me
And I don't remember my answer to the question.
ask you that question. Are you saying today now that you did not have to give $150 to put to the credit box?
I never did that.
You know. Did other people?
Not by my knowledge.
So why would you say that?
I'm trying to make it.
I want to answer.
Now, YSL, were there any particular colors that was associated with YSL?
It wasn't really associated, but the color of slime was already green and we was coming out and the slime like so it was just like posters would make it green or something like that.
Was there any,
Shirts, if it had white, so I would probably be green or something.
was there any other?
No, not slime.
Shape was already been in one to TV and coming back from yesterday?
Yes,
Okay. I want you to start with page 2. And I want you to go to number 6, excuse me, number 4, which says defense acknowledgement. Does it say defense acknowledgement when you look at number 4?
yes,
And then 4A, does it say all statements are truthful?
yes,
I want you to go down to number 6. Did you initial number 6?
yes.
And what does number 6 say?
Some of them identified as YSL
Okay, what does it say? A?
wearing green or red bandana.
Now, I want you to also go down to number 7. Did you initial number 7?
Yes.
What does it say?
Some colors of YSL are red for blood and green for slime.
So was there another color outside of green than YSL?
Yeah, but I mean, you can wear any color.
But specifically for YSL, based upon what you're acknowledging here, is red color that was symbolic for YSL,
Yes,
as well as green.
yes.
When you found the YSL, did you have particular hand signs that you wanted?
Yes,
What? You show me.
it was just a high sign. It's just 3 fingers.
Is that the only one you have?
Yes, smile.
I want you to go to page 3 in your official acknowledgement. And you see number 8 at the top of it.
Yes,
Did you, initial number 8?
yes.
And what is number 8 stand for?
I said use several hand signs, some of which are wiping the nose with the index finger, curving the ring and pinky finger, inward towards the palm while extending the index and palm with the middle finger slightly curved.
So for B, is that the symbol that you just drew up?
Yes,
Okay. So then A, is that a symbol that you want to use?
yeah, but I don't think it was like a hand sign, it was like a hand and face sign.
Okay, so you consider the hand and face sign. Can you demonstrate that hand and face sign for the jury?
It's just like I don't know.
Do you do like what you just did, or do you do something else?
You just like that.
Okay, so you do both, that this, which is like grabbing it together and then wiping it with one finger?
No, just one.
Just one finger? Okay. Did some members wear clothing or clothes symbolic of YSL?
Just one. You mean like the design or?
No, not the design. Well, did people wear YSL the designer? Back in 2012, 2013?
Yeah, you see popular brand?
What about shirts that just talk about YSL, not the designer, not just say long, but YSL and the designer?
Yeah, we promoted the regular board, such as myself.
Before there was anything, where you had the shirts that play YSL.
I ain't really sure what year it became like a real record label with, yeah.
So you're saying before it became regular, you were wearing shirts that had YSL? And did some individuals wear jewelry that had YSL or slime?
Yes,
Right.
yes.
Is there any, yesterday we talked about black, you remember saying the conversation about black? Outside of black, was there any other language that members of YSL used?
Like a slap or slime.
Okay, anything else?
Not to my knowledge, that was just one.
Members of YSL, what would they refer to Cleveland? What would they say about Cleveland?
When they sell to them,
When they say Cleveland? Did everyone always call Cleveland Avenue Cleveland Avenue?
yeah, a lot of them, but no.
What were some of the other names of people refer to Cleveland Avenue?
Believers, I can't remember the other, but I remember.
And why would Cleveland Avenue be called Cleveland Avenue?
I don't know, you gotta ask about it.
Did you ever call Cleveland Avenue Cleveland Avenue?
Yeah,
Why did you call it?
because I heard everybody else doing it.
Did you ever ask why you were calling Cleveland Avenue Cleveland Avenue?
No, that's what it's called.
Why?
You know. Well, I didn't.
Now, you talked about your Twitter account back in 2012, 2013, 2014, where you weren't doing social media.
Yeah, I think I did have like an Instagram, I probably had Facebook, I probably had all of that, you know.
And did other members of YSL have social media?
Yeah, I did probably have something.
On social media, were there particular emojis that members of YSL would use? Or in text messaging?
Yeah.
What were some of those emojis?
Green heart, green snake.
Are you looking at your knowledge to see the other one of your knowledge?
No.
Are you thinking about others?
No, you said something.
Okay. Looking at, say, the one you see, page 3, were there other emojis that you acknowledge were some of the symbols that YSL used?
Yes.
What are
You say sea growing nose and green vomit emoji.
they? Okay. And it says that did you initial and acknowledge that those are some of the symbols of YSL?
Yes.
Now, I want you to take a look around the room, and besides Jeffrey Williams, can you please identify other members of YSL?
I just know 2 other people. I don't know.
Okay, who are the 2 other people that you know is in that member of YSL?
I know yet. Sean.
And when you say that, if you identify who you're talking about by article with that.
You know, Travis.
Right, let's look at that, let's look at that, Mr. Kendall. You said, look at Shannon? Is that yes?
Yes.
What is Shannon wearing?
I can't really see the clothing, but he's sitting next to the dude in the back with the blue.
You know, we stick with it. This is still working.
I didn't work with
And are those only 2 individuals that you know? In this one?
Yeah.
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Now, I'm gonna ask you about a few other people. You know, if an individual by the name of Louis Adams, also known as Bobby Hunt, is a member of YSL. Yeah, you know him.
I'm not having a rush to a minute ago.
So you're now going to see a member of YSL.
He's on the west side, huh?
What about Martinez Arnold, also known as G?
Yeah, Luke. Artists on the line too. A rapper.
You want to see a part of the gang YSL?
Yes.
Have you heard of the individual Ronte Levy, also known as B or
No.
what about the Lone Greenlock, also known as Bobby?
No.
Divorce Bradford, also known as Tudor.
No.
Justin Cotter, also known as Duai.
No.
Cordelius Dorsey, also known as Cole, or also known as GC.
No.
Christian Asher, also known as Brooks.
No.
What about Miles Farley, also known as Slaughter or Little Miles?
Nothing like. I'm a dad.
Do you know, him?
No, not like Courtroom.
You say not Corey, do you know him to be a member of YSL?
No. When I remember in school.
Were you all supposed to say time?
Probably 2 years.
You better not. What about Javon Fleetwood, also known as Fortune, also known as Cypher?
No.
Demetrian Robinson, also known as Dio, also known as Scarface.
Yeah, I'm fine.
You know him to be a member of YSL?
He's on the west side too, I don't think he was. I think he was,
Mention your honor, public speculations.
Do you know? Did you refer to that?
All right, guys, I'm going to go to the next video, set of videos. 1 second. And yeah, this is from my view, my camera. This is not from the main feed because the main feed is showing the witness on the stand. So this is what it's like a repeat of what happened, but it's from another angle. Okay. Just a second.
Related to anyone, it's related to Sylvia.
Yes, she are.
How's it related to Sylvia?
That's his brother.
Was also the part of YSL.
I'm saying he was in prison when he was, I don't know what I said. Coincide.
When he got out of prison, he was a part of YSL.
I was in prison when he got out.
Okay, so you passed it across the street.
So you put me in high school.
Mark played the CD in the A, Quay.
No.
Talking about that guy, what about Sergio Kitchen also?
No. Never met him in my life.
What about Rudy, also known as Slum Marshall?
Never met him, she put me in high school.
What about the Miles McMullen, also known as Nard?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, it's Nard YSL.
Yeah.
What about Sinclair Linder, also known as Nard, or also known as
No.
you know him?
No.
What about Jaden Myrick, also known as Septrick, and also known as Jaden? Parmenius Nichols, also known as Clay.
I was asking that person.
Now, it's about Marquay was you. You said no that. And Parmenius Nichols, that's not right. What about those values behind on Little Ride? Antonio slash Mark, aka Moonson.
Yeah.
And then Steve YSL.
Yeah.
And we talked about trying to take this video, Steve YSL. What do you have?
How did they take DK's testimony? I didn't see any big movement. I saw movement when Shard was coming up. When he came up, I saw movement then.
And then what about you, also known as Roscoe, Peter Roscoe?
Yeah.
And Roscoe Roscoe.
That's what you trick. I don't know if he was like, I just know him from working with the label, being in the street.
Now, what about Sheldon Trevor, also known as OG?
I remember his name. Yeah, that's the older dude from the neighborhood.
You said you only remember his name?
Really? Noah? No, that's sad. They're trying to not let me get my notification. That's okay.
I've been around before. Like,
you know what it is? Hold on, I know what it is.
You know what?
And is he part of YSL?
I think another person who I think worked for the label for like the flat city.
Prior to the label being formed, was he part of YSL?
No.
What about Ken Copeland, also known as Little Dude?
I heard of him, but we never like hung out on it.
Are you never been around Ken Copeland?
In the club.
Is he YSL? What about Darius Ford, aka Big? You know?
No, I'm not that person.
Outside of Jeffrey Williams and Trontavious Stevens, with any of the other individuals that you identify as being part of YSL, do you have any close relationship with them?
No.
I'm gonna show you. Yeah, Mr. Martin, was already been marketing with 6 Charlie. Some of you recognize, individuals within 6 Charlie. And how do you recognize the people, excuse me, 6 Charlie? How do you know? And is that a fair, accurate picture of the individual that you know is in that picture? You know, that's how I feel like telling things with Charlie.
Any objection, say 6 Charlie? No, it's the same thing with the words, but I was told that those will be redacted as long as that's true. I have no problem continuing.
And this is good,
No, I trust.
6 Charlie, as redacted is submitted, and you probably should use it.
now looking at 6 Charlie, can you, we don't like to sit on you, tell me who are the people in that picture? Which of the next, this person here?
Yeah, I don't really, but that's me and that's Tony. And then on the right side, that's Dallas.
Right here is Scott, okay, you know the other one with me to the back.
That's Roy.
And I said the same guy in the board that we talked about yesterday. This is what it was.
Can I go over?
Yeah. Now, I'm gonna also show you Mr. Murphy was already been admitted as 18U. Do you see yourself inside of 18U, Mr. Murphy?
Yes.
Okay. And where are you in the picture?
In the bottom, left.
And who, do you know any of that?
I don't see other people.
Who are the 2 other people that you know have?
That's both of them, and then on that, that's both.
Where, who's both?
So my right,
Right here? Okay. And is this that same individual that you did not know from yesterday? Or look like the same person? I'm gonna also show you, 18U. Now, Mr. Murphy, you just said that you didn't know the individual I pointed to who were in a couple of pictures yesterday. How do you know who you got?
I don't remember him like that. I remember him just being nervous. I seen him around though.
Okay, so you know who he is, but you just don't never had conversation.
Yeah, I never really, like, the Courtroom with him.
Okay, so you know him, but you didn't have a relationship.
Yes.
Now, when play was already been admitted as exhibit 18U.
Mhm.
Now, is that you holding the camera?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, where is all that in this picture?
I don't even remember what we did.
Okay.
I don't even remember that song.
Is that tip to the behind you?
Yes.
Now, if you pan to the other side, you see this, the individual little vehicle there, is that you're also in this video as well?
The one who went up this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and, it was just a little bit in that picture.
Yeah.
And you know, is this off of Cleveland Avenue? Like, in Cleveland Avenue? Now, we talked about a number of different names of individuals, whether or not they are YSL. How did you determine if those people were YSL? Because initially started off as you, Mondo, Slug, and this group, right? But there are a number of different names that we just talked about. How did Shannon become part of YSL?
I just remember from being at the studio record, so, I mean, that's how he met him in the studio. You know, the club, come on.
What about Nard? How did he become part of YSL?
This time, come on, you know,
So if you promote it, is that a way to automatically become part of YSL?
I would, yeah.
Now, in this song, is it Eve or Eve? This is the video that was played. What was the song title? What was the song title?
I can't remember that song.
It talked about wiping nigga nose. What did that mean?
It's called Ill.
It's called Ill.
Yeah.
Okay. In there, there's a verse about wiping nigga nose. What does that mean?
Since it's a long pause, I'll object to speculating on someone else's thought of a lyric means.
What was your understanding of what wiping nigga nose? And that, and that video, were you rapping the lyrics to that song?
Yes.
And in rapping the lyrics to that song, what was your understanding of what you were rapping?
I just wrote a lot of songs. I like music, and I like the beat and the lyrics, and I just rap it. You know? I don't really think about what it means.
Mr. Murphy, you have tattoos in your body?
Yes,
Okay.
a lot.
A lot.
Yeah, I regret.
You regret? All right. About how many tattoos do you have?
I don't know, kind of.
So we're gonna talk about these. All right. In the front of your face, you have a tattoo with the letter T.
Yes.
And when did you get that tattoo? Was that one of your first tattoos?
I remember my first tattoo. I've been having them.
Okay. All right. Let me tell you. Okay. Um, okay, let me explain something. Okay, who was that just asked me the question? I am a thought get me lit 2.0. 2.0 just asked me a question. Are you going to tell us what happened when you ran to the court? Okay, we're gonna go handle this right now. Okay, since we have people who are so nosy. I'm only kidding. I'm just joking. But let me give you guys a little trip. This here was the craziest thing I heard. See, the reason why I didn't want to bring you all of it yet is because I don't have the detail. I was trying to get the details of it. I did get some documents, and I did get someone send me some recordings of this, right? But I wanted to get everything, speak to Mr. Jeff and all that. But you guys are so like impatient, very impatient. So you guys are going to get half of what I have ready because somebody wants to hear what happened because it's just so like nosy. But anyway, what happened is I went to another hearing, a bond hearing for Jeffrey's brother. Jeffrey's brother. I see. I hate giving you half of the story when I don't know the facts of the story. All I know, they had a bond hearing, right? They have a bond hearing, but here's the catch to this, y'all. The catch to this is he's been on bond, on bail for 4 years. This is what I'm told. 4 years he's been on bond and bail, right? All of a sudden, he's been out for all this time. They pulled him back and arrest him for the same charges. But guess what they added on to his charge? Guess what they added on to his charges? They added on 18 gang charges on his current charge. 18 gang charges saying that he's part of a gang. And guess what the craziest thing about this is? He is deaf and he doesn't speak. I see you. You're not blocked. I see you. No, you're not blocked from the chat. I see you right here. Did you see yourself? He's deaf and he cannot hear. Okay. Just 1 second. I wanted to play something for you guys in regard to the hearing. Okay. You guys gonna hear it. And here we go. Hold on a second. I got to mute for a minute to get it together. Okay, I got it set ready for you guys to hear. But listen to this. They even had to get an interpreter to do this hearing. They did not have they had to get an interpreter because the man cannot hear. Okay. All right, here we go. Can you guys hear this?
sign language interpreter, please.
She's getting an interpreter. The judge is getting an interpreter.
You ready, deputy, to swear in the sign language interpreter? Okay. Madam Interpreter, raise your right hand. Do you swear from the testimony you'll give today, in this case will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Yes. And are you a certified interpreter to interpret for the court systems?
See, she can't even hear. The interpreter was on a Zoom, and we were in the courtroom.
Okay. Will you interpret to the best of your abilities? Okay, yes. All right, you can put your hand down.
Oh, you know, these people realize I was just making a joke. I was just making a joke with you. Don't get too serious.
22 SC 182955. Counsel, I believe.
It was a joke. Can you take a joke? Oh my God, you're so serious. I was telling a joke, but I wanted to get all the information before I put it out. That's what I was trying to do, because I don't want to give half of information. But I'm gonna go ahead and play this for you. All right, here we go.
Don't already identified yourselves for the record. Are you ready to go forward? Okay, go ahead.
They can't hear her. That's why they're trying to say to speak in the mic.
Bill, can you hear me? Yes. Oh, all right, this is you, Danielle. We have Mr. King on the calendar today for a bond hearing. Okay. Mr. King was arrested in May of 2021, at which time he was granted bond for terroristic threats, possession of firearms, and commission of felony, aggravated assault with intent to rob and armed robbery. He has since been released and has been on bond since, no issues, anything like that. But this case, that's pre-indictment. Once this case was indicted, however, the addition of charges includes now 16 counts of criminal street gang activity, 1 count of attempted murder, 1 count of aggravated assault, if I'm correct, Stacey correct me if I'm off on that. So we're here today to address bond amounts as it relates to these additional 18 charges for which he has not been yet processed for. Okay. Mr. King has been, before this case belonged to, Your Honor, this case belonged to Judge Eaton. We had a couple of calendars before Judge Eaton. Mr. King was present for all of those calendars as expected. There was little progress in that. We were looking at that time for a sign language interpreter so that we could actually go through discovery, talk about the case, and move forward. Since then, Judge Eaton, I believe, is now in the family division, so these cases have moved on and now they're before Your Honor. It was also brought to our attention, I think, April 2nd, for Your Honor. Your Honor had almost like a catch-all calendar. And so for April 2nd's calendar, it was brought to our attention that there was an outstanding warrant for which he had not been processed over here. Let me ask you this, has he been arraigned on these charges? Yes. Okay, on all of the charges, he's entered not guilty? Yes. Okay. And I want to say that may have happened, it had to have happened prior to July because he had case management July 10th of 2023. I am court appointed and this case came to me in July. Okay. And we had a case management calendar. We were reset maybe about 30 days from that. We came back again in October, and at the October calendar, the judge let us know that they were going to schedule an opportunity for us to come in. Use one of the jury rooms, have a sign language interpreter present, so that we could actually go through all of his discovery because it's impossible for myself and Mr. King to have meaningful conversation by way of text message or writing. Okay, but today the purpose of the reason that we're here with the interpreter is to set bond. Is that correct? Today to set bond. He's a lifelong resident of the area. Mr. King has no felony history.
He is the father of 15 children, 2 of which live with him, ages 10 and 11. Mr. King is heavily supported his family. They're all here with him today. As you can tell, based on what we've had going on since 12:30, Mr. King is deaf. He also cannot speak. As a result, he is receiving SSI disability. He cannot work. And so these are concerns that we have as it relates to him being in custody. He has not proven in any of the time that he has been out to have been an issue for the state of Georgia at all. He is following the conditions of the bond that was established back when he had just the 4 charges. He has not been an issue. He is reported to court as he has been expected to. We had the one issue April 2nd, which we discovered is a matter of receiving notice after an actual calendar. Fortunately, I was here on April 2nd thanks to Ms. Simpson having emailed me the calendar. So I need to be here, I was.
What were the 4 charges that he received on time?
Terroristic threats, possession of a firearm during commission of felony, aggravated assault with intent to rob, and armed robbery, and that total bond was $30,000.
Were there any other special conditions?
I know we were trying to pull up a copy of the, because that was before my time, so we were trying to pull up a copy on Odyssey of whatever the special conditions were of that bond. I imagine we would have some form of stay away provision, probably limited communication or no communication with any of the co-defendants, standard to usual bond conditions when there are co-defendants. I would imagine it has all of those things. I will be asking that Your Honor set a bond not to exceed $20,000 on the remaining charges. If that is not deemed appropriate to Your Honor, that Your Honor set a reasonable bond in light of the fact that he would be in custody in a situation where I am almost certain there will be difficulty with his ability to even be there, for the staff to even help to assist. He cannot hear. He would not be able to respond to orders that were given to him by the officers. There are no officers that are on the floors that I know of that are certified sign language interpreters. And that presents a very unique situation, a very difficult situation. If Mr. King had a history, if Mr. King had been in trouble since 2021 or something like that, then I can understand better the desire to have him be in custody and just trying to figure that out. But he's proven to be no issue otherwise, and so I'm asking that Your Honor does set a bond so this family can get together, work on that, and hopefully have him released sooner than later when he is.
Okay, what happened yesterday? The judge gave him a no bond, right? The judge gave him a no bond, right? And listen to this. Remember, we just had 2 individuals to get killed inside of Rice Street, right? This man he's handicapped. He wouldn't not even be able to follow the rules of the jail because they're not equipped to handle people who's deaf or who has any kind of handicap, right? So therefore, things may happen to this man while he's in jail. Do you understand what I'm saying? You get guys what I'm saying with this? But I'm going to go ahead and finish playing it. This is very unbelievable. Hold on a second. Okay, hold on a second. Somebody's texting me. I am so sorry. I stay busy. Oh, okay. Yeah, I got to get off the phone. Yeah, I got to get off for a second. I gotta get off. I will speak to you guys later. I got an emergency. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, gotta take care of this. My apologies, but I gotta get off the phone.